How to invest in Robinhood and make money. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Robinhood app on your phone or on the computer. After that, add money to your account. So how to do that? So next, you need to add money to your Robinhood account. Tap the account icon on the bottom right. Then tap transfers, choose add funds and select how much money you want to deposit. After that, find a stock to buy. So now that you have money on your account, tap the search bar at the top and type a stock or ETF, exchange trade fund, and you want to invest in. So once you find it, tap on the stock to see more details. Now after that, buy the stock. So tap trade, then tap buy, enter how many shares you want to buy, and hit review. If everything looks good, swipe up to confirm your purchase. Now after that, hold or sell for profit. So once you own the stock, you can hold it and wait for the price to go up, or sell it when the price is higher than what you paid for it to make a profit. So this is how to invest in Robinhood and make money. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.